Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm joined by Kumkani.
Yeah, Steve Vere kanjani?
Amnandi njayam.
Yeah, utukhamba.
Igame ibone kanjani?
Bafana for mina idlalile today. Mari bengitshelile vele bengibonile win from Sasuke ekhaya ne.
Va.
Ngasho ukuthi today at least namhlanje bazoyenza history number 2.
Sure.
Because mina bengasabelieveli kubafana le squad sano uyangithola. The only team engibelivela kuyo i-team ka-96 hayi ukuthi like ngibhekela ama-player lawa amancane phansi but bengakunikezi leya nto leyana besinikezwa lesa squad sika-96 isquad sika-96 yiso saqualifya for i-World Cup lesi sesithiwe zange siqualifya sangena nge-backdoor eyane ukuthi siyama-host at least lezi no intwana ziyenzile lento lo history ziyibuyisile uyibonile ne-atmosphere yegroundini ukhuluthela abo-Dr. Khumalo nale time uDanny Jordan elibhayizisa isafa nje nalo uyabona i-happiness egroundini ukuthi njani angithola atmosphere because kubuye le nto uyabona today kubuye le nto yayenzeke e-FNB ngo-96 uMasinga shaya le nto leyana sibulala ikhongo understand iyo la momentum fandakho ibuyile that momentum but into engisayifunayo esquadini yazini isquad ingathi thina ama-South Africans singayeka yonke lento yama-club nani ipolitiki because no le nto leyana ibulala i-mentality yama-player because ma ukhumbula kahle 96 noma bekuthiwa esquadini kunama-player chiefs abhaya ama-player pirates abhaya we never had this thing eyenzakalayo understand besiyinto eyi-one that time so manje I urge to South African fans ukuthi asiyekeni this thing then uyangithola amekeza si-fan ngiyajabula uma ngabe ngibona isquad siperforma ngendlela ukuthi khona ama-player chiefs lana awekho for mina as long isquad bafana South Africa is ours if ngizothi mina kusasa ngisupport i-Rwanda ngikutshelani sithini i-ID yami ibhalwe ini South African Republic ayibhalwanga Rwanda Republic understand so I have to respect leyo nto leyo ngirespecte ini iflag le country yami yangithola njengala otherwise amajita for mina no ayayibuyisa le nto leyana mina bengasena hope for abafana ukuthi ngaze siqualify for i-World Cup ngiyangithola
Man of the match
but man Steve has the problem ngibone igoli lokuqala amanye azange ngiwabona
sure
so angeke ngizokwazi determine ubani bekuyi-man of the match ubani benze but the way lesikhathi engisibukelile mina amajita adlalile uyangithola so ama-fans asemzansi awayekele le nto ayenzayo bafethu sisuke from Soweto mina bafana ngiyilandeleli angifuna ukukhuluma amanga angiyilandeleli but leyaphanda ngiyangazitshela ukuthi vele i-win for thina so I have to be here uyangithola so injalo Steve Njayam
yeah sure